If your Xfinity box stopped working right after a power cut, do not panic because in most cases, this issue is fixable in minutes. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you the exact steps technicians use in real homes to bring a dead Xfinity box back to life. First, understand what happens during a power outage. A sudden power cut can corrupt the box memory, interrupt firmware loading, or desync the signal handshake with Xfinity servers. Step 1 is a proper power cycle, not a quick unplug. Unplug the Xfinity cable box power cord from the wall. Also unplug the coaxial cable, the round cable from the wall, and remove any Ethernet cable if connected. Wait a full 5 minutes, not seconds, because internal capacitors need time to fully discharge. Now reconnect only the coaxial cable first. Make sure the coaxial cable is finger tight, not loose, not over tightened. If you use a splitter, remove it temporarily and connect the wall cable directly to the box. Next, plug the power cord back in and wait. Do not press any buttons for at least 10 minutes. The box may show boot, welcome, or download screens, which is normal. If the box is stuck on time, black screen, or error codes like RDK, try a system refresh. Using the remote, press exit 3 times, then press down, then press 2. This forces the box to reload its software safely. If you can access menus, go to Settings, then go to Device Settings, then go to Power Preferences, then go to Restart. Allow the restart to complete fully. For Wi-Fi connected boxes, a power cut may break network pairing. Restart your modem and router first. Wait until internet is stable, then restart the Xfinity box again. If the box still fails, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the power button on the box for 10 seconds until it reboots. This clears corrupted startup data caused by voltage drops. If nothing works, the power surge may have damaged the box power module. In this case, replacement is the only solution, and Xfinity usually replaces it quickly. This guide follows real technician procedures used after storms and outages. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for clear and practical tech fixes.